Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the basics so the fix targets the real cause. Open Display Settings and enable Auto-Rotate. If it's already on, toggle it off and back on to reset the flag. Make sure the apps that need sensors have permission. Some launchers require sensor access. Remove any magnetic or thick case and wipe the area around cameras and sensors because debris or magnets can jam readings. Once done, hold the phone flat, then tilt it to validate the sensor responds. Now you calibrate and diagnose the sensors so rotation logic works. Run the built-in diagnostics or a trusted sensor test app to view accelerometer and gyroscope outputs. You'll see numbers shift as you tilt. If readings look off, follow the app's recalibration routine or place the phone flat and restart into safe mode to remove third-party interference. After that, update the operating system and launcher, and clear cache for system UI. These steps fix software layers that misinterpret correct sensor data. Finally, you apply advanced remedies and a single troubleshooting tip to recover functionality. If sensors test normal but rotation still fails, back up data and perform a factory reset to remove corrupted settings. This resolves stubborn software faults. If diagnostics show inconsistent sensor output or physical damage, arrange professional repair. Technicians can replace the accelerometer or the main board. If you need one quick workaround while awaiting repair, install a reputable rotation control app to force orientation. Use it as a temporary fix, not a permanent solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.